Hi, this is Jasmine with Jas Bling. I sell $5 paparazzi jewelry. I am located at Jefferson Flea Market. Right here we have some earrings. We have the feather blue and gold fishhook earrings. Coming over we have the brown earrings that are hoop earrings, kind of the bronze type with the imprint design in it. Then we also have the acrylic leopard print earrings that are hoop earrings, and we also have the hoops that is kind of the imprint of a leopard print type of feel. Then we also have the acrylic earrings that are hanging dangling earrings. Then we also have some very classic earrings that you probably can wear with dresses or maybe some chic balls. Then we also have the kind of the boho type of earrings with the yellows. We have some more Chesterfield earrings, the classy areas that you can go to. Then we also have over here is the clip-on. Down here is the fall collection earrings, fishhook earrings that are beaded. Then we also have some more of the black. We have some more of the fishhook earrings that are lead-free, nickel-free with the pink in it. Then we also have some more of the classy beaded earrings with the acrylic. Here are some of our acrylic collections that we have, which is the fishhook earrings. Then we have some more leopard print. Also, we have another bronze earring, which is a fishhook type of feel. Coming over with the hoops, with the spirals, you can see that's kind of the latch hook earring. Over here is our tassel yellow earrings with the acrylic top with the fish hook. Then we also have some more. The silver that is lead-free, nickel-free with the tassels in white on it. This is also a fish type of earrings with the beautiful designs in it, very classy, with the bronze and the very detailed designs in it. This is another set that we have. You can see it closely without the plastic on it, which is the leopard print fishhook earring. And then there's another way of looking at it outside the plastic, which is the fishhook peach earring. Then we also have the black feather design earring. That's not the feather earrings that you just saw, but the feather design is black. Also, we have another one that is with the rhinestones, black rhinestones and silver rhinestones with fishhook that is very classy. And then we also have kind of the other boho type of lead-free, nickel-free earrings. And we also have some gunmetal. We have some more bronze. We have different types of earrings. Then we have some more clip-ons, hanging dangling earrings, that's boho type. And then we also have the studs. That is my last pair, but we do have some more studs. We do have some more of the leopard print, the feathered earrings design that is close up outside of the bag. This is one of more of our other classic type of fishhook earrings that we have, acrylic, the leopard print earrings that we have. And then also we have some more of the classic type of earrings that is fishhook with the rhinestones and diamonds in it. And then we also have some more of the fall filled feather earrings. Some of our earrings that we have are with fall season, spring season, and summer season. Alright, so coming over here, we have some of our brown jewelry that's more of the summer feel in it. We have yellow, we have a mixture of colors, we have the turquoise blue. Then we also have, coming down is the men collection, which is urban, that we have different types of short and long necklaces for the men. You see we have some of our sea bead necklaces, that's purple. Then we also have the with the fishhook earrings that comes with it. And then we also have the red sea bead short necklaces. And we also have some more sea beads that comes in many different colors, which is the orange and silver. And then we also have some of the fall type of feel of acrylic necklaces. We have pink acrylic. We have the the burgundy acrylic that can match with some of our feather fall earrings. We have some more summer collections that we still have in stock. That is the silver with the styrofoam kind of velvet feel of the earring with the fish hook and silver. And then we also have some more bronze short necklaces that you can wear to any classy occasion with the turquoise in it. It's very detailed, very short, very light. Everything is lead free and nipple free. Very detailed. Then we also have another bronze with the fringes with a very, very detailed design in it. And once again, all of this is $5, only $5. The latest fashion, we got my bronze, my short, and then we also have a long bronze as well. Everything's $5. It's lead free, nipple free. We have some more short urban necklaces, and also we kind of have the other boho type of feel fall necklaces that came out. We have the silver with the black and the gold, black and the silver balls that's very short. Some boho necklaces that is orange. We have the blue, and all of these are short, lead-free, nipple-free necklaces too. But we also have some acrylic diamond necklaces as well. We have a silver as well. Everything is short. These are my short necklaces, lead-free, nipple-free, with the pink in it. And these are our urban men necklaces. We have a silver and a gold. And then we also have the long short necklaces with the earrings that comes with it. Lead-free, nipple-free. Over here is our bracelet. And these are our wrap bracelets. It is 2 snaps with the rhinestones in it. Very shiny, very light. We have some of the wooden necklaces as well from our summer collection. We still have some of our summer collections left. And then we also have some of, this is my bracelet collection. Now everything that I have is based on seasons. We have the beaded, we have the 2 snap, we have the summer wooden necklaces, bracelets, and then we have the beaded bracelets that match the necklaces as well. Over here is our copper collection that I put together with the bracelet and the necklace, and also with one of our fabric earrings as well that I matched up with it with sets. Alright, so this is Jasmine again with Jas Bling. Everything's $5, lead free, nickel free. If you want to avoid shipping fees with your paparazzi consultant, you can come to me and shop at Jefferson Davis Highway, and I'll be glad to serve you. Bye.